In this video I'm going to show you how you can get a free donation button in Please Donate mobile. As you can see, currently I don't have any buttons, but we're going to change that. So I'm simply going to log out of Roblox, go to my main page, and right here I want you to select and open the browser of your choice. For me this is Opera. Now here we want to Google Roblox and open the first Roblox website. Then select continue in browser. From here, before we continue any further, I want you to press the three dots on the right hand side and select desktop site. If you are on iPhone, next to your link on the left side, you will have two A letters. Press on them and select request desktop website. So now what we need to do is click on create. Click on manage my experiences, and then here we want to press on the top right corner of our place or public experience until we select the three dots. Okay, I'm just going to zoom out like this. So here, after we have pressed on the three dots, we want to click on create badge. And then we can just exit out of this, click on cancel, and we're taken to another page right here of the badges, passes, and developer products. So if you want to get a free donation button, Please Donate, you go to passes. You click on create a pass. You upload an image. Right here, you write the name, description, and after you have done all of this, you press on create pass. I'm not going to create another one because I already have many. So I'm just going to cancel this, and I'm going to show you how you can actually make it appear on your stand or booth in Please Donate. So for example, I'm going to take this one, this pass, and we want to press on the pass that we just created. Then zoom out and select sales on the left hand side. Mark item for sale, and here's where we put the price. For example, 10 Robux. If we get a donation of 10 Robux, our earnings are 70%, so that is 7 Robux. Click on Save Changes. And now, if we go back to our Roblox application, we'll see if it actually worked or not. Just open up Please Donate. We're just gonna go to a random unclaimed booth. Claim it. And as you can see, we have a donation button for 10 Robux, so people can donate to us. So that is how this works. I hope this was useful. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.